The world outside is screaming. It tells you that if you don't run faster, you will be left behind. But come, sit in the silence for a moment. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna speaks of the ocean. Aparayamanam akala pratishtam, verse 2.70. Think of the sea, my friend. Countless rivers pour their turbulent waters into the ocean, yet the ocean's depth remains unchanged. It does not overflow, it does not tremble. It simply is. Your burnout is a river of fire. Your anxiety is a river of ice. They flow into you from the world. But are you a small cup that overflows with every drop of worry? Or are you the ocean? True peace belongs only to the one who remains still while desires and fears flow through them. Do your work. Face the AI. Face the change. But do not let the river become the ocean.
Be deep. Be still. Be the ocean.